I'm going to show you an easy way to make Birista. Why am I doing a special video on Birista? One is that it is used for garnishing in a whole lot of dishes, whether they're muttons or chickens or vegetarian foods, and it also adds a lot of flavor, and Birista is also added to dishes. You smash it up and you add it to dishes later on instead of just fried onions, and it is seemingly a very difficult thing to do. Most people don't get it right. I will show you an easy method of making Birista. One of the key things to making Birista is how thin you can do your onion slices. It's not easy to do it by hand, but nowadays they have this wonderful thing called the mandolin, and this mandolin you can sort of use to slice your onions really thin. And the wonderful thing about this mandolin is it comes with all sorts of attachments and stuff, and it's like a toy, and I have such fun. By the end of it you're like chopping and slicing and chopping and slicing and maybe never cooking. The other thing about the Birista is the oil control. Don't put too much of the onions into the oil at one go because it will be difficult to control it. You have to keep stirring it right through. Because the onions on the sides get brown faster than the onions in the middle. So you need to keep, pushing the side ones in and the in ones on the side. Then once you find that it's sort of, scrunched up and drying up, you put the flame on slow and then let it cook. Take it off before it gets to this dark brown color. Because even when it's out of the oil, it still keeps frying and then it burns. So you need to take it out when it's like a light brown kind of a color. Isn't it beautiful?